In this video, we are going to see how to use a dynamic material in Ceacle Showcase. So first, what is a dynamic material? A dynamic material is a type of material for which you can regenerate the texture depending on certain parameters. Some dynamic materials are available in the materials collection. You can see them here. They have an icon and the tooltip will display material with dynamic textures. So this icon will help you to identify the dynamic materials in your materials collection. If you want to use a dynamic material, it's simple. It's the same as using a normal material. You just drag and drop the material on the object and it will load automatically. Now let's have a look to the parameters. In the detail tabs, you will see two parts. The material parameters that you will find for all materials, and the second part, the dynamic texture parameters that you will get only for dynamic materials. Then you will see the list of generated textures. It will help you to know what are the textures generated. These textures are available here on the first layer of the same name. So for example, the generated base color texture will be located at the layer 1 of the base color parameter, and you will see this texture here. So this is the texture generated at base color layer 1, and it will be the same for other textures, such as for example the metallic texture will be located on the layer 1 of the metallic parameter. Here you see nothing because that texture is quite transparent. Next, you will see the output size. The output size is the final size of the texture. The higher the size, the better the details. So for example, let's have a closer look to our texture. So for now, we are at this size, but if we go lower, we'll see that we lose a lot of details. So it depends on the level of details that you need to have. Next, we have random seed. This parameter will allow you to regenerate randomly the texture. The color parameter, as the name says, will help you to change the color of the generated texture. Alright, this texture looks pretty good. I guess we will go from here. Now, playing with the rest of the parameters will allow you to create a unique texture. For example, if we change the fiber scale, we can see that the texture is updated in real time. We can also play with the fiber intensity. Keep in mind that all these parameters are not equal between dynamic materials. So this is it for this video. Now see you in the next one.